If you're wondering how to use crafting materials like plastic, metal, fabric, and chemicals in ART Raiders, don't worry. These materials are essential for crafting weapons, armor, and gadgets. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, collect materials during missions. Look for plastic, metal, fabric, and chemical pickups scattered around the map. They may be inside crates, dropped by enemies, or found in resource nodes. Next, open your inventory. Press the inventory key, PC, I, Console, Menu, Jox Options. Then go to the Materials or Crafting tab. Now, select the item you want to craft. Choose from available blueprints or gadgets. Each item will show the required materials: plastic, metal, fabric, chemicals. After that, craft the item. Click or press Craft if you have enough materials. The item will appear in your equipment or consumables slots. Also, manage your inventory. Keep only the materials you need to avoid exceeding carry limits. Extra materials can be stored or used in future crafting. Finally, upgrade equipment using materials. Certain weapons or gadgets can be upgraded by spending these parts at the crafting menu. Once done, your materials are used, and you'll have stronger weapons and gear in ART Raiders. Say next when you're ready for the next guide.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.